Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play a different game variation of Torres by joining action cards together to a common pile. You can change the rules of the game a little bit by joining all of the action cards piles. As you can see, I have a blue pile here, green pile and a purple pile. Let's add the yellow pile to them and join them together. Then shuffle them all together. And now when they are shuffled, put them face down, and now players draw action cards from one common pile, and the colors on the action cards are not relevant anymore, and all the remaining rules of the original game stay the same. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.